Go. Okay, hello guys. So, nagawan ko ng paraan na para ma-publish natin yung ad na ginawa natin sa Make Ads PH natin na account na Facebook page. So, ang ginawa ko instead of uploading it to my wife's ad account kasi nga hindi nag-work pa yung credit card niya. So, nilipat ko na lang yung ad ko dito sa aking old na ad account which is this one, Iman J. Gayano. So, the same pa rin yung process natin guys. May campaign name. Ito yung campaign name natin nilagay. Jake First Campaign. Then, PH 18 plus business. And then, yung ad natin. So, as you can see, naka-scheduled na siya. Meaning, na-approve na siya sa Facebook guys. So, anytime, tomorrow at 3 in the morning, mag-start na siya mag-run. Kasi nga, na-schedule na rin for 3 in the morning. So, ito yung nangyari guys. Na-click ko na yung publish. So, yeah. So, I'm really happy kasi nga na-upload na. So, in order for you to see your ad, kailangan mong pumunta dito sa first campaign muna. And then i-check mo dito sa box or you can check naman it anywhere. So, next is yung campaign. As you can see, connected yung silang lahat guys sa tatlo. Campaign, ad sets, and ads. Then i-click mo yung ad set natin. And then i-click natin yung ads. Okay, so ito yung ads natin guys. So if you want to see the ad, you can just click here and click dito sa preview and then boom, lalabas yung preview ng ad mo. And then if you want to see this one sa timeline ng Facebook mo, you can just click here and then click mo yung Facebook desktop newsfeed. Then automatically mag-open siya sa into new tab and then pupunta ka ngayon sa newsfeed ng Facebook mo. And boom, ito na yung Facebook natin ads na ginawa natin guys earlier. Do you want to grow your business to the next level? We can help you. Send us a message now. Very basic lang to guys. So, learn how to grow your business for only $9.99. So, ito yung ginawa natin na image kanina from Canva. And, yun, very decent naman din siguro yung photo natin guys and yung business natin. So, I think I will let it run for 24 hours and tingnan natin yung result niya tomorrow. Okay, I'll just update you guys sa mga next na kung ano bang mangyari sa ad na to. Okay, kung may mag-message ba or ano ba. So, that's how awesome it is na makita ito. Okay, so anyway, so again guys, review tayo, connected to, campaigns, ad set, and ads. So, yan, very basic lang din. And I think, starting today, you know already how to create an ad. And along the way, kung may client na magpapagawa sa iyo ng ads or you personally would like to make Facebook ads, this is how you do it. So, nakita na rin yun sa mga previous videos natin. So, if you have any questions, just feel free to leave a comment dito sa ating Facebook group and I'll inaisa-isa ko rin din yung mga messages nyo guys, so don't worry about it. And it would be better for you. I think it would be better for me as well na if you're going to add me via Skype kasi mas madali ako makareply doon kaysa sa comments natin. Anyway, so yeah, see you sa mga next videos natin. And the next video na siguro is kung ano ba yung mga rate natin as an online freelancer sa Facebook ads. So, yan. So, thank you and see you sa mga next videos natin.